The cloud coin provide a theoretically perfect global currency, basically that cannot be counterfeited. You can say double spent, mined or lost. Your exchanges are 100% private, requiring no public ledgers, accounts or even encryptions. Cloud coins form a monetary system that is fair and ethical and requires no special softwares or downloads, like the internet itself, cannot be brought down by government hackers or even natural disasters. Cloud coins consist of 3200 bits of secret data that only the owner knows. These bits are basically, you can say, the write up into the JPG images or in text files that can be stored on your computer and sent to people by email, by Skype, SMS, Facebook, or even by regular old paper mail. That is basically the cloud coin. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss each and everything, and especially I am going to share a great airdrop of cloud coin, and I am going to review each and everything regarding the cloud coin. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. And also do follow us on all the social media. First of all, what is cloud coin? I told you the main things regarding the cloud coin. Now how you can basically use the cloud coin. Okay, when you want to buy something, you will share the secret numbers with the seller. Now you and the seller know the numbers. Anyone has the number can change the number using the RIDA. Now what is RIDA? That is basically a current factor and the main thing, and even you can say a new thing for all the main users and even the traders of the crypto. They want to know about the RIDA. So first of all, with the help of this blog, I will try my level best to explain the main things regarding the RIDA platform. You can say the redundant array of independent detection agents. The RIDA is a global counterfeited detection system that is, you can say, okay, here you can also say that cannot be the main thing is that cannot be tampered or hacked. Neither natural disasters, basically comet strikes, world wars, dictatorships, or government hackers cannot bring down the RIDA. So RIDA is basically entirely a new thing. Here you can see it by yourself. Computer scientist CNH basically invented RIDA and developed by the CloudCoin consortium team, enabling financial freedom and freedom of speech is essential to RIDA and the CloudCoin consortium. That is basically the main thing. The CloudCoin is the first cryptocurrency in human industry that cannot be counterfeited, mined, or lost. There is a fixed amount of cloud coin notes that added together, okay, you can say that added together make 1.4 billion cloud coins. We use, okay, you can say the denomination like common money because it is more efficient. That is basically the RIDA. And here, as I'm telling you how you can basically use the cloud coin in my previous, basically the main things, I basically told you the main thing regarding the RIDA and also about the buying of cloud coin. Here you can see something more. The RIDA is a new authentication protocol that is the first of its kind and is the first true cloud-based authentication system to have data supremacy and quantum resistance. The CloudCoin Consortium is a non-profit organization. It's a group of business and individuals around the world who are seeing the protection of personal data and freedom of speech as challenges for modern society. The CloudCoin main thing is the consortium is not a legal entity. It has no bank accounts, it has no headquarters. The consortium is best described as a libertarian organization made up for individuals who are very interested in freedom. It is a freedom based movement that is not just basically talking, it's doing something about it. The consortium was a platinum sponsor at Freedom Fest in Las Vegas in 2018. So that are the main themes of the RIDA and also the Cloudcoin. Now, what are the main missions behind it? That is okay. That is a new thing which I am going to share with you. The main missions of Cloudcoin. Main mission is to provide a okay, you can say main mission is to provide a perfect global okay, you can say the main mission is to provide a perfect global currency that cannot be counterfeited, double spent, permanently lost, and is resistant to theft. A digital currency that is 100% private, requires no public ledgers, accounts, or even encryptions. It means it is so efficient, it needs no fees and has a fixed supply with no inflation. A decentralized monetary system that is absolutely fair and ethical, that cannot be manipulated at any time. Very soon, the best thing, now I'm going to share the best things regarding the Cloudcoin. The best thing is this, that very soon you will be able to trade Cloudcoin on Binance DEX. Here you can see the entire platform and their missions and everything, the Cloudcoin. And I will show you. Here you can see it by yourself. United States, okay, the basically USA, the Patent and Trademark Office approves first patent for cloud-based digital currency, and that is basically the Cloudcoin. Here you can see 100% private, 100% available, 100% integrity about the Cloudcoin. Here you can also see fast, secure, private, and green. Say goodbye to massive server rooms and outrageous electric bills. That is the main things regarding the Cloudcoin. Here you can see the patented each and everything and number of the best articles at this time. Number of best channels, media partners are basically, you can say, featuring Cloudcoin in their daily blogs and everything. Here you can also see the wallet about the Cloudcoin wallet beta for all the desktops, blue sky or dark sky, everything. So you can basically hold each and every token over there. Here you can see it by yourself. Developers announced that the final 3 version Cloudcoin wallet is scheduled to be released within a few days, with the final minor bugs being eliminated. The software includes Sky Wallet, a trusted transfer technology that allows users to send and receive coins without any risk of transmitting counterfeit cloud coins. That is such a great thing. Seriously, regarding this one, that is entirely a great thing, that this wallet is entirely a new thing and a new revolution in the crypto market, thereby avoiding the assertion of false claims. Users do not have to provide any private information to send money. No accounts registration or passwords are required. That is a great thing regarding Cloudcoin platform and also about their wallets. And here you can see each and everything about the CEO and whole team. And here, as I told you, that number of the best channels in the world, they are basically featuring everyday Cloudcoin in their blogs and in their news. And here you can see Fox News is basically a great thing, and that is basically there you can say already media appearances. It means the CEO over there and they already talked regarding Cloudcoin. Here you can also see the mission statement and everything, and whatever you want to ask, you can ask from the team, because the team is there for you 24/7 on all the social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube. And here you can also see the Telegram, Twitter, the Reddit, everywhere the team is available for you 24/7. So it is entirely easy for you to contact the team at any time. Right now I am going to share the airdrop of Cloudcoin, which is entirely easy to join, and you must have to grab this token. Okay, so first of all you have to open the Telegram bot. Here you can see it by yourself. You have to click on the start, and here you can see they are basically saying that you have to click on the continue to the buzzing board. So I'm going for it right now. Here you can see it each and everything. Welcome to Cloudcoin. Cloudcoin is the world's first ever created cloud currency. Cloudcoin is digital currency. Instead of utilizing a blockchain, Cloudcoin has invented a brand new way of keeping records called RIDA. As I told you, redundant array of independent detection agents. That is a new thing. It is a new revolution. Seriously, it is not only a new thing, it is a new revolution. So how you can join it? It is entirely easy. First of all, it is your basically referral link which you must have to use with any of your friends. Whenever your friends are going to sign up with the help of your referral link, you are going to get number of free coins. Here you can see 25 cloud coin per referral. So first of all, you have to join them on the Telegram. Here you have to click on the start activity and you must have to basically join their Telegram first of all, and then you have to click on the back. Then again, the second thing, you have to subscribe the newsletter, and here I'm going to click on it, and here you can see it by yourself. I have to go back towards the main platform and I have to sign up for the newsletter. You have to basically scroll down first of all, then you have to enter first of all your email address, your first name, your last name, and then you have to submit this one. And then after this one, then you'll be able to basically use your own referral link. By referring your friend, you will be able to collect 25 cloud coins. So it is entirely easy for you to share your link, and such a great airdrop. Seriously, don't miss this airdrop. Otherwise, I'm basically telling you the exact thing. After, for example, 2 or 3 months, you are going to regret this thing if you are going to miss this airdrop. And even if you miss this video, you are going to regret it. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.